Back on the record, call 656-968, Texas versus Myra Gonzalez, represented by Mr. Ruben Flores. And this is a motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. I have two documents for Ms. Gonzalez and Mr. Flores to identify their signatures on for me. The first one is entitled Defendant's Consent to Motion to Revoke Hearing by Video Conference. In fact, Ms. Gonzalez, is this your signature on this document?
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Flores, as attorney for Ms. Gonzalez, this is also your signature on this document.
It is, Your Honor.
Thank you. The next document I have is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, which is marked, quote, is an adjudication of guilt following a deferred adjudication, and the defendant has a limited right of appeal. Is this your signature on this document, Ms. Gonzalez?
Yes.
Thank you. And Mr. Flores, as attorney for Ms. Gonzalez, is this also your signature on this document?
It is, Your Honor.
Once again, this is a motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Mr. Flores, my understanding is this is uncontested. Is that accurate?
That is correct, Judge.
Ms. Gonzalez, in cause 656-968 on the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision, how do you plead, ma'am?
True.
Court accepts the plea of true with an explanation. Ms. Gross, would you please advise the court and the parties of the status of Ms. Gonzalez probation? And for the record, representing the Bexar County CSCD is Ms. Susan Gross, who our mind is still under oath, representing the Bexar County Criminal District Attorney's Office, Assistant Criminal District Attorneys Guillermo Forrest and Megan Galloway. Please proceed, Ms. Gross.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Gonzalez has been reporting as directed. We last saw her on September 14th of 2021. She's paid $737 towards her fees, has a balance of $746 and is current at this time. She's submitted to 3 drug tests. All have been negative. She's completed DWI education, victim impact panel, and we have no proof of completion of CATSNP. She's currently on Smart Start Mobile, testing it 4 times a day. She's had 2 separate instances of alcohol consumption, registering at 0.031 and 0.032. Each positive alcohol consumption blow was not followed up with another test. She has had 4 skip tests. She has no criminal history. And this is her first violation report, first motion to revoke. And her officer is recommending that her Smart Start be increased to 6 times per day.
Mr. Flores, what are you recommending and requesting?
Judge, we are recommending that she not be revoked, that she be continued on probation. I believe she got the message as far as the consumption of alcohol. I don't know if 6 times a day is burdensome or not, Judge, but she is fully employed, and
it's very burdensome, but it's a whole lot more fun than jail.
Yeah, that I agree with, Judge. And other than that, Judge, we just simply ask that she not be revoked.
State recommendation.
Your Honor, we recommend the defendant be continued. We recommend increase to 6 blows per day on Smart Start Mobile, weekly UAs, and substantial compliance within 30 days.
Ms. Gonzalez, in cause 656-968, the court accepts your plea of true to the allegations. I deny the state's motion to revoke your deferred adjudication probation, or to continued on deferred adjudication probation with no sanctions at this time, although I have the authority to put you in jail for 30 days to get your attention. Would that be necessary?
No, thanks.
Good answer, ma'am. Altering and amending conditions, modifying your Smart Start Mobile from 4 blows a day to 6 blows a day within 24 hours. Show me a 30-day period of time. That could be 31 days from now, where you have no misses on your Smart Start Mobile at 6 blows a day and no high bracs for alcohol, and I'll crank you back down to 4 blows a day, okay? But if you do that, I won't know you've done it. You gotta let your attorney know, he'll let me know, I'll confirm with Ms. Gross, and then I just order it. Also, I'm putting you on weekly UAs. Show me 4 clean weekly UAs in a row, and I'll put you back on monthly UAs. And then I'm requiring substantial compliance in all other areas, which I think you're doing. Is there anything she needs to not to register for or do, Susan, that she's not already doing?
If anything, Your Honor, it's going to be the CATSNP. She's completed everything else.
All right, so you need to be registered for the CASNIP course within 10 days. You may or may not start during that time frame. That's up to them. Do you have any questions, Ms. Gonzalez?
The catnip, I actually finished that yesterday.
Okay, great. Then you're doing exactly what we want you to do. Anything further from the state of the defense on Ms. Gonzalez?
Nothing from
Judge?
the
All right, thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. Good luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Flores. Y'all are dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I do have one quick,
Yes,
Go ahead, ma'am.
I was actually, granted permission to travel, next month. Is that still valid or do I need to request permission?
All right, let me
again?
back up. Where is it you want to go?
I requested, a cruise next month and it was
Do I
granted.
already have, do I have your request somewhere? Did your attorney send in a request?
Oh,
No, no, Judge, it was done through probation and I believe it was granted already. I saw it on bear.org.
I apologize. I get so many of those, I can't keep up with them, and hopefully I've already granted it. And only thing I do, I make you take a urinalysis test within 24 hours of coming back. And normally on cruises, you can keep your Smart Start mobile can still be active, I think, under those circumstances. Susan, is that not accurate?
yes, you can still use the Smart Start device on the cruise during your regular test times. And as far as the cruise, the last thing I show that she was approved to travel was going to be for Austin and also to Los Angeles to go on a cruise.
Is that the one we're talking about?
yes.
All right, so you're already approved. All you have to do is use your Smart Start while you're there. And then when you get back, you have to take a urinalysis test within 24 hours.
Okay, so
Okay.
it's still,
So
Yes.
have fun, but not too much.
Okay, and Ms. Gonzalez, you'll be receiving your amended conditions from your officer within the next 24 hours, as well as your new testing times. You may not get them till tomorrow, but just, be on the lookout for something from your officer, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
All right,
Okay.
good luck to you.
Good luck, y'all. Thank you, Ruben.
Thank you, Judge, for waiting.